How to know if someone has read your message on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. So once you're here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Go ahead and open any chat from here. Now, go to the bottom and tap on the text bar. Type in a message and tap on the send button beside to send this message in this chat. After sending, a single tick shows that the message is sent successfully. Then, a double tick means that the message is delivered to the recipient's phone. And if you see a blue double tick, it means that the message has been read by the recipient. Following these steps, you can easily know if someone has read your message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.